when you first walk in the room, you see the two beds because I'm living in a double dorm. This one's my bed, and right here is my closet, which actually holds a lot more than you would think. So there's the two sides, and below each side there are two drawers. This one I keep extra shoes in, and the one next to it I keep my tea and coffee, and the other ones I have other stuff in there, and then there's above space too. And I lofted my bed so I can fit stuff in there. I have under the bed drawers, like you see right here. And yeah, it saved a lot of space. And then I have this ottoman, which I use as a stool and a seat for when people are in there, and I keep sheets and towels in there. So each side of the room has a little bulletin board, which is right here, and I just pin some of stuff up. And we also have cubby space. My side has the smaller cubbies, which isn't really a problem. I still fit a lot. This is my desk, and they have several sized drawers, and I keep my aromatherapy here. And then I have this little thing where I keep my medication and my makeup on the other side, which is really helpful. And right here is the microwave, freezer, and fridge, which actually holds a lot more than I expected. This is my roommate's desk, and these are the bigger cubbies, which you can see that she doesn't even use all of it, so the size really doesn't matter. Also brought in a clothing rack where she has her shoes and some jackets, and this is just her bed. And then we attached a full-length mirror on our door, and next to the door is a sink, which is really helpful. And there's a mirror above it, and then space underneath too to store more, and it's really, really nice. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment if you have any questions.